Welcome to Alpha Recycling Services. We are committed to global environmental care, and we promote sustainability throughout our operations. In addition to being the world's largest manufacturer of solder and solder-related products, we are an authority on solder recycling and environmental compliance. Alpha offers recycling services on a global basis with facilities located in the United States, Brazil, and Europe. Our U.S. recycling headquarters is in Altoona, Pennsylvania, where we receive and responsibly process solder scrap for our customers. Alpha's comprehensive recycling services program helps our customers properly dispose of their solder scrap while delivering the highest value to them for their scrap. This program consists of controlled collection, conformance to state and federal regulations, free metal buckets for collection, ISO 14001 certified recycling facility, freight paid to Alpha facility for shipments of 500 pounds or more, certificate of recycling destruction, lot traceability, prompt settlements, dedicated environmental and reclamation staff. Alpha customers continue to use our recycling services because they've developed confidence in our ability to reduce their legal and regulatory risk, knowing that their solder waste is recycled in-house in an Alpha owned and operated facility that is ISO 14001 certified. Alpha eliminates the middleman and keeps solder waste out of the international waste trade stream. And Alpha can be your single source for all of your recycling needs. Alpha recycles millions of pounds of solder waste each year, and the process begins with the preparation of waste prior to shipping it to our facility in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Our customers separate their waste into lead-containing and lead-free lots whenever possible, consisting of pot metal, dross and skimmings, anodes and anode scrap, lead clippings, and copper scrap. In addition, their solder paste in containers and populated and unpopulated circuit boards are packaged separately. Alpha is prepared to receive waste in sealed 55-gallon drums and dross buckets, which we provide upon request. After the shipment is prepared and the shipping paperwork completed, it should be turned over to a trucking company for transport to the Alpha Recycling Facility in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Alpha will pay the freight for all shipments of dross and pot metal in the United States and Canada weighing 500 pounds or more, as long as an Alpha-designated transporter is used. Alpha has easily accessible loading dock facilities for the handling of incoming waste shipments. Once the shipment arrives, our dedicated Alpha recycling team takes over and assists in the unloading process. All containers are weighed, opened, and the contents are inspected. The proper legal and regulatory forms are filled out, and samples of the materials are taken for laboratory analysis. Material samples are taken to the Alpha Recycling Laboratory, where specific analysis is conducted to determine the properties of each waste lot. Analytical reports are prepared that become part of the lot traceability process. The waste itself is recycled using the appropriate proprietary Alpha process, depending on the properties of the waste. Almost 100% of the solder waste delivered to us is converted into virgin-grade solder products. Wave soldering dross is processed in our rotary furnace, followed by electrolytic refining. Solder paste waste is recycled in our sweat furnace, followed by electrolytic refining. We use our run-down kettle for the recycling of lead-free wave solder dross. Alpha has invested significant R&D time and effort into the development of a very efficient process for recycling lead-free waste. It removes any lead contamination so that the recovery of lead-free materials is maximized. As with all of Alpha's recycling services, we emphasize transparency, in which audits are welcome at any time. Our reporting capability tracks all material data, and we guarantee the price given upon the request of a purchase order. Even if the metal prices drop, we will honor our quote. Alpha provides, upon customer request, a certificate of recycling that guarantees that all of the material received was recycled. At Alpha, we provide our recycling customers peace of mind. They know that the disposal of their solder paste scrap will be conducted in a legal, environmentally responsible manner in which their liability is minimized and their scrap value is maximized. For more information in the United States and Canada, contact us at 1-814-940-3837. When thinking recycling, think Alpha Recycling Services. For our customers located in California, we provide hazardous waste labels with customer information completed on each label. Universal Hazardous Waste Manifest with customer information and product description completed. Licensed and permitted hazardous waste transporter with freight paid by Alpha. A quarterly pickup schedule required by the DTSC in the state of California, and a monthly pickup schedule if required by our customer. For our customers in Mexico, we provide project collection, transportation, storage, and handling in full compliance to Mexico's regulations. The Ministry of Ecology issues permits for project collection, transportation, and storage. The Ministry of Transportation issues permits for transportation. The Ministry of Commerce issues permits for export projects from Mexico. Regular project collection schedules meeting our customers' requirements. Complete project documentation, including documents stating the legal return of materials that were imported into Mexico by in-bond manufacturers. Signed Mexican manifests, bill of ladings, and certificates of recycling. Maintenance of projects documentation for at least 5 years. Assurance of meeting our financial and service obligations, backed by Alpha, the global leader in solder materials for electronics manufacturing. For more information in Mexico, contact us at 664-331-5668